Hi, this is Enviro Cams. In this video, I'm going to run you through the process of installing the Guard Viewer app on your phone or tablet. I'll be using an Android emulator on my PC today, but at any rate, what you'll do is go to your Play Store, and you're going to do a search for Guard Viewer. You'll see the publisher is Leon Smith. Once you get to this point, just select Install. Accept the permissions necessary. And when it's finished, select Open. You're going to see this screen when the program opens on your phone. You'll select the P2P login. Select the international region, and this is where you'll type in your Star4 Live account, username, and password. And then log in. Come to this menu and select Devices. Hit this plus sign and then Manual Add. You're going to add by P2P. If you have your phone, you can scan the QR code. Otherwise, what I'll need to do is just give it a name. And you can do this for people that you're just going to share your information with. And your register code from your device. And then select here at the bottom, Start Live View. And you'll see your camera images. To end your live view, select this window here, and then your home button to escape back out to your phone's home screen. This concludes the tutorial for how to set up and configure the Guard Viewer app. If you have any questions, feel free, give us a call.